Hello, in front of me I've got Roccat SYN. In this video I'll show you how to pair it with console. You can pair these headphones with PlayStation 4, 5 and Xbox Series X. In order to do it, there are two ways. You can enter pairing mode and select your headphones from the Bluetooth pairing list on your console, or you can connect this stand via this cable to your console and they will automatically pair with the headphones. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.